Tuesday, April 4th. OPEC production cuts drive up oil prices. Oil prices soared late Sunday after the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC+, and Saudi Arabia announced a further 1.15 million barrel per day production cut. The cut is set to take effect in May and brings the total volume of production cuts to 3.66 million barrels per day, or roughly 3.8% of global demand. This move highlights the kingdom's determination to defend higher prices necessary to fund its vast economic development programs. It also confirms their intent to continue its energy policy coordination with Russia, which announced an extension of its own earlier unilateral cut, and willingness to defy the U.S., which criticized the potentially inflationary decision. With the OPEC+ cut, consumers will see an immediate spike in prices, as the cut is expected to exceed 1 million barrels a day, with Saudi Arabia alone cutting 500,000 barrels a day. The White House strongly opposed this latest cut, citing its impact on consumers and its global inflationary impact. Consumers should prepare to face higher prices in the near future, as the OPEC+ production cuts are expected to push oil prices higher. This is especially true for those who rely on oil for transportation, heating, and electricity. In conclusion, the OPEC+ production cut is likely to send oil prices higher in the short term. Consumers should be prepared to face higher prices in the near future, as the cut is expected to exceed 1 million barrels a day, with Saudi Arabia alone cutting 500,000 barrels a day. The White House's opposition to the move, citing its impact on consumers and its global inflationary impact, may not be enough to prevent the OPEC+ decision from taking effect. At the law offices of Omar Zambrano, we understand that this time of year can bring on a lot of stress and strain, especially when it comes to legal matters. That's why we offer free consultations to help you with your legal problems. Contact the law offices of Omar Zambrano today for a free consultation by calling 626-338-5505.